Hey everybody, welcome back to Head Start Instagrowth. The Amber Heard circus continues, and the aftermath of the lawsuit and counter lawsuit between her and Johnny Depp continues to get more interesting. Now, some time ago, Amber Heard filed for not only an appeal to the outcome and the verdict that was determined as a result of 6 weeks of trial, but also she motioned for a mistrial based on some misinformation of one of the jurors that would indicate that the juror supposedly would be a man of 77 years of age. However, the person who actually participated in the jury panel was only a 52-year-old man with the same name and who lived in the same residence. Now, Amber Heard's lawyers declared that as the court no doubt agrees, it is deeply troubling for an individual not summoned for jury duty, nonetheless to appear for jury duty and serve on a jury, especially in a case such as this. Now, just this past Wednesday, Judge Penney Azcarate denied Amber Heard's motion for a mistrial, saying, and I quote, "Juror 15 was vetted by the court on the record and met the statutory requirements for service." The parties also questioned the jury panel for a full day and informed the court that the jury panel was acceptable. Therefore, due process was guaranteed and provided to all parties in this litigation. She also went on to say that the process was, quote, "conducted in a fair and impartial manner with the court and both parties examining the potential jurors," and that Heard's lawyers were provided the jury list 5 days prior to the commencement of trial and knew or should have known about the mistake. Now, Judge Azcarate also cited Virginia law stating that any error in the information shown Now, Azcarate also cited Virginia law stating that any error in the information shown on such copy of the jury panels shall not be grounds for a mistrial or assignable as error on appeal, and the parties in the case shall be responsible for verifying the accuracy of such information. It was Heard's lawyers' obligation to ensure the accuracy of the information provided for the jury panel, and they can't just wait until receiving an adverse verdict to object for the first time on an issue known since the beginning of the trial. And that's exactly what's taking place. An adverse outcome has taken place for Amber Heard and for her team, and they're jumping on this minute detail and using it as a cop-out, as an excuse to motion for a mistrial and throw the case out altogether. It is an act of desperation, and Judge Penney wasn't having it. Nice try, Amber Heard, but you're gonna have to try something else. It's gonna be interesting to see what the next couple of weeks look like. These people are not just gonna go away. The wheels are spinning, and they're constantly trying to come out with any single idea that they can. I think Johnny Depp's team described it perfectly, saying, quote, "While Miss Heard slings an exceptional amount of mud at the wall in the hope that something might stick, the jury's verdict on damages was perfectly reasonable and supported by the evidence and testimony in this case." But again, it's going to be interesting to see what happens as this story continues to develop. What's going to happen as far as this appeal to overturn the verdict is concerned. But right now, things are not looking good for Amber Heard and for her team. And as far as PR is concerned, this is an awful and terrible look for Mrs. Heard. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for joining us here at Head Start Instagrowth. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos on other topics. Check us out on Instagram, and please watch some of our other videos. We'll catch you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.